Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to insert page numbers to your Word document. Make sure you open your Word document. I have mine on the desktop here. I open it, then I go to insert. You can see from the menu bar there's an option insert. You click on insert, then you move all the way to page number. You click on the drop down so that you get more options. You can choose to insert the page numbers on top of the page, bottom of the page margins, current position, format page numbers to whichever format that you want, or remove page numbers. Let's use bottom of the page. That's the most common method. When you point on this drop down arrow, it brings more options. You want a plain number. These are the different formats that you want at the bottom of the page. You can go to more from office.com. Let's pick the last option here, or any option that you like. You select it, and the page number is inserted at the bottom of the page because that's what we selected. So this is what appears on your page numbering. That's the format that you choose. If you want for it to be left aligned, right aligned, or center aligned, whichever that you like. So you can go to page 2 and also look at how it appears. This is the page numbering on your second page, and so forth. This is page number 3, and that's the format that you've selected. You can choose another format. You go to insert, you go to page number, bottom of the page, then select another formatting of your choice. You can scroll down, you get page 1, you get pg1. These are just different formats. Page 1 of 1. Let's pick this format. You go, it has changed. This is page 1 of 3. It counts the number of pages in your document. That's the format that you've selected. This is page 1 of 3. You go to page 2 of 3. You go to page 3 of 3. That's the format that you've just selected. So that's how you insert page numbers. And how do you remove the page numbers if you don't want them? You go back to insert, go to page number, and you say remove page numbers. That's how you remove page numbers from your document. So you can save, then you close your document. And that's how you insert page numbers to your Word document. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Goodbye.